What's up, fellas? Little video.
What's up, fellas?
It's been a little bit. I don't know if any of y'all coming from the 4 Tracks barn find video, but we've been riding around a little bit. Post a couple videos of us mobbing the 4-wheelers. Oh, by the way, this boat is for sale. So if anyone's in the Virginia East Coast area, this boat is for sale. Mud boat.
Or could do a raffle. If y'all are interested, I'll figure out how to do a raffle.
Oh yeah, $50 tickets, 2,000 tickets.
I think I'm cheaper than, well, how many people could you get to buy them?
If you got 10,
I guess because if you don't sell enough raffle tickets, it might not be worth it.
if you got $10
just refund everyone their money.
tickets, 2,000 tickets, it's 20 grand.
You have to set an amount of tickets.
I don't know if there's like a
Nah, you're not gonna get that many people to do it. I don't know. Maybe we'll figure out how to do that, low key. I don't know.
Yeah.
I mean,
some of the proceeds.
comment down below if you're interested. If we get 50 people comment down below, which they won't, we do a giveaway on the boat. If 50 people comment that they want a raffle, then we might do a
I
raffle.
don't even know.
We just put out 1 video. Here go 2 more for y'all.
Yeah, tough right now. That was your phone.
Really? She about to blow. All right, we gotta get the impact. Need a 10mm wrench. Ha. All right, keep it going, keep it going. Don't let it go. Don't let it stop. Ready? I'll get the wrench on it, don't worry. I think it's stripping it. All right, slow down a little bit. All right. I think it's stripping it. All right, try it again. Ah! All right, it worked.
Do this next one.
See, you have to keep it spinning because the blue says all about the rotation. If you stop the rotation, it won't work. Hold up. Oh no.
It's a text from Hunter.
It's my wife. Oh, you see how good that works?
People don't realize.
Yeah. It did jump.
Wrong way.
Doesn't work so good. It works so good.
Your phone was on that.
The what?
Wait, Cole. Riddle me this.
Put a flag.
Riddle me this. Is that supposed to be connected?
Yeah, when you're wide in the desert and people can't see you, you put a really tall flag in there, and what happens is they can see you more better. What else? Where's he going? What else? We might need that.
I just put it in the what we might need pile.
Okay.
I think bro,
So, you know, sometimes you just can't get it.
Bro and me were started. Wait, can you tow it with me on it? Did the chain go up your butt?
No, rip my pants. We were going good, dude.
No, try it again. Try it again. I won't step on it.
No, that's good enough. Pretty good.
Oh, you broke it.
After today.
The last one. See if he can hit the jump again.
on, man. That thing's pristine.